here. Thank you. Good job. Hello. How are you?
Hi.
Guys doing good today? Woo! I'm like tripping all over this ramp. How you guys doing? Good. Hi, buddy. We're here in Caticlan, the beautiful. Hi, how are you, my dear? Good morning. How are you?
How about you?
We're here in Caticlan,
Okay.
the beautiful city of Caticlan. Where's the Jollibee? Is there a Jollibee here? No Jollibee?
We have only Mang Inasal.
Oh, only Mount.
Mang Inasal.
I want Jollibee!
No, go back to Boracay.
In Caticlan, there's lots of vans here going to Iloilo and Kalibo, all over the place. And there's like tons of vans. So when you get off the boat, boom, there's like everyone waiting to take you places. I know in the US you have to get a taxi or a rental car, but here in the Philippines there's lots of taxis right here, and there's also lots of buses and vans. Here's a van right now coming. Tons and tons of nice new Toyota vans everywhere, and so that's how they travel here. You just jump on one of these vans right here and you take off. They take you everywhere, everywhere. In Caticlan, there's lots of vans here going to Iloilo and it's pretty cool. It's very comfortable too. There's the ocean right here in Boracay. Over in the distance.